Serenity of the mind. Why Random Acts of Kindness Day is good for people. It's positive. Performing random acts of kindness is a positive thing for both the recipient and the giver. It's a great way to spread goodness, love, and gratitude to those around you, and even to those you've never met. It's also a great way to practice gratitude and thankfulness. It's uplifting. Random acts of kindness can lift the spirits of both the recipient and the giver. It's a great way to show someone that they are appreciated, valued, and respected. It can help to brighten someone's day and put a smile on their face, which can be a very rewarding feeling. It spreads positivity. Random Acts of Kindness Day is a great way to spread positivity and kindness to everyone around you. It's a great way to remind people that there is still good in the world. It's also a great way to show people that kindness is contagious, and that even one act of kindness can have a ripple effect throughout the world. It's good for mental health. Random acts of kindness are good for our mental health. It's a great way to practice gratitude and thankfulness, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety. It can also help to boost our self-esteem and make us feel better about ourselves. It's inclusive. Random Acts of Kindness Day is an inclusive day, and it's a great way to show kindness to everyone, regardless of their race, gender, sexuality, religion, or any other factor. It's a great way to show people that they are valued, appreciated, and respected. It's free. Random acts of kindness don't have to cost a thing, and they're a great way to show someone that you care. Whether it's a simple gesture like opening the door for a stranger or giving someone a compliment, small acts of kindness can make someone's day and make the world a better place. They don't require any special skills or money, and the rewards are often far greater than expected. So, make it a priority to do something nice for someone today, and watch how this simple act of kindness can brighten someone's day. Continue your relaxation journey with this next video.